it's Primo38 here, and we are opening a mythical Pokemon collection. I'm opening a Jirachi, Archie's opening Victini or something, I'm not sure, sorry. And yeah, let's get started.
I've started opening it.
It comes with a badge, 2 Pokemon cards, and a Jirachi.
But mine doesn't.
Oh, Jesus Christ. 2 Generations packs, a Jirachi thing, and a Jirachi and a white code for the Jirachi.
Wait, how do you get it out? Oh, there we go.
Code. Yeah. Gonna get started? No, don't do that. Don't do that.
I was on the card.
Let's do this, see?
I was on the card just then.
Okay, Archie, go up. I'm not going to try to pronounce the name because I have no clue. And the code. Okay, let's get started. I'm going first because you went first last
I'm just
time.
mine. You get a Venusaur pack.
Oh, what? There's no codes in these.
Huh. Yeah, because the code was at the front.
Oh, yeah, true, too. Yes! Swablu.
You need that.
Yeah. Olympia. A Pokemon Fan Club. A Paris. Fire Energy. Geodude. Tangela. Reverse Golbat. Look how cool that is. Oh. Reverse Golbat and... Oh!
No, that's
not my rare. A holo dingo. Butterfree.
Oh,
so they're my rares. And what are these? What's that then? Oh, that's just the thing that... Go. Go, 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 go. It's your turn. It's your turn.
Toby.
Oh, do you want me to do it?
Yeah. But I'm saying
Fletchling. Imakunu. Red card. You do
Magma.
Pikachu. Dark Energy.
Slowpoke. Ponyta reverse.
A holo Yveltal.
And
Dugtrio.
True.
You still got that.
Wait, is that a legendary?
Yeah, I think so.
I'm putting that one.
Archie,
Where's my good cards?
I chucked them there. I think. Oh no, I did have them. They were there. They were all in the rubbish, so I just put them there or something. Did you put it in your pile? That pile? Have it on through from the back yet, guys?
No, I don't think so.
Could it be in this pile? Oh yeah, I have. I just looked at my 3 cards. They're pretty cool.
Toby.
Flybaby. Shiner. Pokemon Center Lady. Machop. Badass. Another Fire Energy. Another Geodude. Reverse Meow. Holo Meow Stick. A Gyarados. Rare. That's mine. Did you find it? Here, open your last pack and I'll find them.
No? Oh, they're over there.
Oh, here they are.
Because you remember when I went to go and get the pack things?
Uh-huh.
Okay, we found them, guys. Don't you worry. I know what the front card is. They're on there. Put both of them in.
Throw from the back, you know the deal. Fly baby. Maintenance. Oh, you know this one. Metapod. Ghastly. Krabby. Machop. Energy. Unlisted leaf. Reverse. Another one. That's the end of this video. Ta-da.